Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Rohit Tech. Today in this video I am going to show you how to get free access Claude Opus 5. GenSpark free plan currently provide 100 free credits every day after you sign up. The credits automatically refresh each day. A few things to keep in mind: free plan 100 credits per day, reset daily. Unused credit do not roll over to the next day. On the free plan, AI chat, image generation, video generation, and other AI tools draw from those daily credits. If you are using GenSpark mainly for AI video generation, 100 daily credits are usually enough to experiment with a few generations. The exact number depend on the model you choose and the cost of each generation. Here is a quick comparison of today leading AI models. Claude Opus 5 rank at top for overall intelligence, coding, and AI agent task. GPT 5.6 Soul is very close competitor, delivering outstanding performance across coding and reasoning. Gemini 3 offer a strong balance of intelligence and reliability, while Grok 4.5 stand out with its impressive speed. Kimi K3 provide excellent value of powerful coding capabilities and great cost efficiency. Remember, the best AI model depend on your specific need. So now let's put Claude Opus 5 to the test. I will ask it to build a snake game from scratch and we will see how will it perform in real world coding task. Open web browser, go to search, type GenSpark AI, hit enter, click on first link, GenSpark, your all-in-one AI workspace. GenSpark official website is open. Click on sign in. Click continue with Google. Now I am signed in as Google. Go to new. Scroll down. You can see AI chat under content creation. Click AI chat. Go to models. You can see the multiple AI models, but in this video demonstration, I will choose Claude Opus 5. Select Claude Opus 5. Claude Opus 5 is selected. Go to profile. You can see the available credits. I'm using free plan. Go to chat. I am given task to him. Write a code for create a snake game in a single HTML file. Hit enter. Thinking. Now code is generating. Opus 5 is very impressive, providing quick response. As you can see, the snake game full code is generated. Copy this code. Go to Windows search. Type Notepad. Click open. Paste the code here. Click file. Save as. I'm going to save this file on desktop. Type file name. I'm giving it name snake.html. Click save. Minimize web browser. Open snake.html. Hit enter to start game. Use arrow key to play game. Game is perfectly running. Now let me show you how many credits we'll use to generate this game. Go to GenSpark. Go to profile. You can see 78 credit will remain. Only 22 credit used. So viewers, that's all in this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.